Hello, good morning friends. My name is Dr. Sanjay Pargania, guest lecturer, Government Digvijay PG College, Rajnandgaon. This is my second lecture on quantum mechanics of second semester, and the topic is commutation relations in angular momentum. Now, first we define the commutator, and the commutator of xy is defined as xy minus yx. Now, if the value of this quantity is equal to 0, then we say xy commutes, otherwise we say does not commute. That means the value of xy minus yx is not equal to 0 and some other different quantity. Now, commutation relation for operators Lx, Ly and Lz are the first relation, that is commutator of Lx into commutator of Lx and Ly is equal to IH cross Lz. Commutator of Ly and Lz is equal to IH cross Lx, and commutator of Lz into Lx is equal to IH cross Ly. Now we prove the first relation, that is commutator of Lx and Ly, or we obtain the value of this commutator. Now, as we define by definition of the commutator Lx and Ly, this is equal to Lx into Ly minus Ly into Lx. Make it relation number A. Now, the values of angular momentum operators Lx, Ly and Lz in Cartesian coordinate system is given as Lx is equal to minus IH cross inside the bracket y del upon del z minus z del upon del y. Similarly, Ly is equal to minus IH cross z del upon del x minus x del upon del z, and operator Lz is equal to minus IH cross x del upon del y minus y del upon del x. Now, first we obtain the multiplication of operator Lx and Ly. This is the first term of commutator. Now, putting the values of Lx and Ly, we multiply these two terms, that is IH cross y del upon del z minus z del upon del y into minus IH cross z del upon del x minus x del upon del z. Now, during this multiplication, we have to maintain the order of multiplication. We cannot change the order, because as we change the order of multiplication, the operator gives different results. So, first minus I into minus I is equal to plus I square, which is equal to minus 1. So, minus and h is h cross square. Now, the multiplication of operators, first we multiply y del upon del z with these two terms. This is given by y del upon del z into z del upon del x plus y del upon del z into minus x del upon del z minus z del upon del y into z del upon del x minus z del upon del y into minus x del upon del z. Now, this is equal to minus h cross square. Now, here we see that this term, a multiplication of z and an operator del upon del x. So, this term can be simplified by the multiplication rule of differentiation. So, the differentiation is y del upon del x plus yz del 2 upon del z del x. This is the differentiation of this term only, minus multiplication of this term. Here x is written as constant for differentiation with respect to z. So this is written as minus yx del upon del z square. Similarly, here also z is written as constant with respect to y. So it is written as minus z square del 2 upon del y del x plus zx del 2 del y upon del z. Make it equation number B. Similarly, we obtain Ly into Lx and its final result. We come to the final result directly, and this is equal to minus h cross square into zy del 2 del x del z minus z square del 2 del y, del x del y minus xy del 2 upon del z square plus x del y del upon del y plus xz del square upon del z del y. Make it equation number 3. Now, putting the values of Lx into Ly and Ly into Lx, that is obtained from equation number B and C, can be substituting in equation number A. And here we see that these terms, the double differential terms here, these may get cancelled, because as we know that in partial differentiation, the order of differentiation doesn't matter at all, and this gives the same result as del 2 upon del x del z is equal to del 2 del z del x, del 2 upon del z del x, and del 2 upon del y del z is equal to del 2 upon del z del y. That means order of differentiation doesn't matter at all. So these terms get omitted, and finally we get the commutator of Lx and Ly is equal to minus h cross square inside the bracket y del upon del x minus x del upon del y. Thus, we rearrange this term again. The commutator Lx Ly is equal to minus h cross square can be written as I h cross into I h cross, and we change the order here. That is, we take minus common. So we write I h cross into minus I h cross into x del upon del y minus y del upon del x. And here we see that this quantity in bracket is the value of operator Lz. So we write the commutator Lx Ly is equal to I h cross Lz, and this is the conclusion. Similarly, we get Ly Lz commutation relation. It gives us IH cross Lx and Lz Ly's commutation relation. Lz Lx commutation relation gives us IH cross Ly. Now, these relations can be combined in symbolic manner as L cross L is equal to IH cross. That means if we consider the terms of the ijk components of L cross L, this must be equal to the ijk component of L, and this equation produces the relations A, B and C as we see earlier. Okay. Now we come to the next relation, that is commutation relation of L square with Lx, Ly, Lz. Here L square is equal to defined as Lx square plus Ly square plus Lz square. Now we put up the value of L square here in commutation relation. Now this relation can be defragmented in three different parts, that is Lx square with commutation with Lx, Ly square commutation with Lx, and Lz square commutation with Lx. Now here Lx square is written as Lx dot Lx. Similarly, Ly square is written as Ly into Ly, and Lz square is written as Lz into Lz. Now, using the distributive property, that is A dot B into C's commutation, this is equal to A, B and C's commutation plus A's and C's commutation multiplied with B. Now, using this relation, we get L square commutation with Lx. This is equal to Lx into commutation of Lx commutation multiplied by Lx, Ly multiplied by commutation of Ly Lx plus Ly Lx commutation multiplied by Ly plus Lz multiplied by commutation of Lz Lx plus Lz Lx commutation multiplied by Lz. But we know that the commutation relation of Lx and Ly gives us this is equal to IH cross Lz, and if we change the order of commutation, we get Ly into Lx is equal to minus IH cross upon Lz. And other similar relation, we put up the values of the commutation relations Ly Lx, Ly Lx and Lz Lx, Lz Lx. And here we see Lx commutation with Lx, this becomes equal to 0. So these two terms becomes equal to 0, and rest of the other terms gives us the value according to the different commutation relations. So we get L square commutation with Lx is equal to Ly into IH cross Lz plus minus IH cross Lz into Ly plus Lz into IH cross Ly plus IH cross Ly into Lz. And here we see that these terms are cancelled with each other, and finally we get this is equal to 0. That means the commutation relation of L square with Lx is equal to 0. Similarly, we get the commutation relation of L square with Ly is equal to 0 and L square with Lz is equal to 0. Now, let us define two different operators known as ladder operators. Here, there are two ladder operators, one is the L plus and L minus. The L plus is defined as Lx plus ILy, this is called rising operator, and L minus, this is equal to Lx minus ILy, that is called lowering operator. Now, considering these relations, some other commutation relations can be established, and these relations are written in brief here. We are not deriving it. So, just for our knowledge, we see the different commutation relations. The first commutation relation is Lz with L plus, the commutator of Lz and L plus, it gives us H cross L plus, and the commutation of Lz L minus is equal to minus H cross L minus. Similarly, the commutation relation of L plus and L minus, this gives us 2H cross Lz. And these are the other commutation relations, that these are the commutation relations of the position operators with the angular momentum operators Lx, Ly and Lz, and the momentum operators with angular momentum operators Lx, Ly, Lz. That means Lx with Px, Ly with Py and Lz with Pz, and we can prove these relations in very simple manner and consider these relations as homework. You may try to prove these relations at home and do some workout. So we conclude this lecture today here. Thank you. We'll meet again in the next lecture.